Hey, what's up, everybody? About to do another review. Not to give away the I haven't opened it at all. Just the box came this way. Uh, hey, I'm sure it's in there. It was the tape was slightly off, as you could see, because this hasn't been taken off. So, but yeah, this is from Human Made. It's a collab that they did with Kaws. So I was lucky to get the shirt. I had to do a little translating on the through Google Translate. It was a little difficult. I was lucky. And let me see what they have over here. All right, so they sent some nice presentation from Human Made. This came directly from Japan. And let's see over here. What is this basically? All right, it's the receipt. But wow, nice little look for a receipt. Has a little envelope. Pretty cool. All right, and this is I've bought stuff from Human Made before from Billionaire Boys Club. So I usually wear extra large, so this is a shirt I ended up getting. Went for double X just because I just wanted to go for a little oversized look. And one of the things, which I'm going to take the shirt out because this is something to keep it, but just want to show the packaging on it. Comes in this like a Ziploc sealed bag. The front over here, the pricing on it, which is in yen, sizing 2X, size white. Gears for futuristic teenagers. I'm not a teenager, but hey, let me see if I can get this opened up. There's an easy spot to open it up so I can show the details. If not, give me a second. I'm gonna try to open it a different way. Okay, that was simple. So I have a black shirt of this. So here it is. If you see on the lines over here, I like that. Their shirts from Human Made are very different, very good quality. You have the Human Made tag over here, and it's actually stitched in, which I like. Not to kind of go off the direction I'm going with this video here, and I appreciate everybody who watches the videos. Please like, please subscribe, leave comments. Let me know what you guys think about the videos. What Yeezy and Gap should have done is something like this. Just stitch it. To do like a printed thing that can wear out, I don't like it. Anyway, back to this. So here it is, as you can see, again in the back. It's fully stitched in. Again, Human Made, which is a... Let's see, all right, so let's look at this. Love the details in this shirt. It's printed. You open it up. And here we have it. So this is it. So this is the Kaws logo, which you have the 2X's over here, and you have this over here, and you have the little fine details of all the little stripes going on, and the scribble, you know, the penciling effect on this simple shirt. I like when you look at the shirt, you see it almost has like these lines. Let me just try and see if I can get it closer so I can see it. It has like these lines over here that I won't say give it texture, but it gives it a nice look. Their shirts are good quality, actually. Very good quality shirts. I'm going to show you another shirt that I have from Human Made that it's black. I was actually hoping for the black, and I saw only the white at that time. By the time I get to the black, it was sold out. You can see the look on the shirts. They're similar. So you see how the black shirt is? See how it has like these lines that kind of go across it? That's the make of the shirt. 100% cotton. But yeah, you see that's the effect of the white shirt over here. So again, it's not much to say at all aside from that this shirt was very lucky. and there was a YouTuber who actually helped me out with the time. I was almost off by an hour, actually. Almost missed it by an hour. But yeah, I was lucky. Actually went pretty fast. They restocked again, I believe, but it was a tote bag. A lot of popular stuff that was sold on that page that went, and it went fast. And this is the second collab shirt that they have. There's other T-shirts along the way too in that release. Man, it's pretty much it. There's not much more to say except and again, the shirt was lucky. The site was in English. The checkout was in obviously in Japanese, but yeah, I was lucky. Google Translate helped out. So if anybody ever wants to get anything from Human Made through their site, I usually use Safari, with Google, and then the settings to translate the page. It was actually much easier, even with the checkout. I was able to figure it out because at a certain point it did go through. Basically, choose the bridge, pick the bridge. That way, scalpers and your online robots, if you know what I'm saying, don't get a chance to get them. So I was very lucky. Successful with this. I wish I could have done more, but again, there's always next time. And this is definitely staying my personal. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Anybody wants to check out the other videos, click on the links at the end of the video. There's always more stuff. I have other videos you can check out. I do variety stuff too. So again, anybody who watches and stops by, check out the videos. I appreciate all the time you guys put into it to watch the videos. And thanks for watching. Again, this is a Human Made Kaws. I'm gonna call it the heart shirt. Let me look at the receipt. It might have the proper name on it. It just has it as a white tee. It's T-shirt Kaws number 6. I mean, like I said, there were a bunch of different ones. So appreciate it. And yeah, I mean, the presentation's nice. The box is cool. It says Human Made on it. It's almost a kind of a giveaway. I do like this though. This little receipt holder that comes along with it. So this is pretty cool. Something I'll keep. And guys, check out this brand. This is one of the OGs, which is a Nigo, from Japanese street fashion. So these days he's doing collabs. Another second collab with Louis Vuitton, and always does work with Pharrell too. Has Adidas stuff on there too. So there's a lot of things that he's done. Like I said, one of the OGs of this genre when it comes to fashion. Again, simple stuff, T-shirts. I like it. Again, can't go wrong with the Kaws. Human Made, good collab. And again, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I helped you guys out. Anybody who's curious about how it comes around and a little help and any questions, comments, definitely like the videos. I greatly appreciate it. Helps my channel grow. And please pass the word on subscribing. All right. At some point, I'll hopefully get to 1,000. And then go from there. All right. So I'll see you guys, and thanks a lot.